What's good, and good morning from Canada. So I woke up this morning and I looked at my portfolio and I was like, oh mama. But then I was like, the market's on sale. So I'm going to go over what's going on, a couple of news articles. There's quite a lot of theories right now, but I wanted to go over a couple articles as well as some basic technical analysis for Bitcoin and ETH, as they are the master energy, as I've said in my last Red Day video. And when they go down, the rest of the market goes down with it. All right, guys. So currently Bitcoin is down 9%. And Ethereum is down almost 12%. And you can see the rest of the market is down. XRP, it's all the way down to $1.33. Now we're starting to see a little bit of comeback, but we'll get into that. Cardano down, it's down to $1.22, down 13%. VeChain down 3. VeChain didn't really get hit too hard, so shout out to everyone holding VeChain. XLM down 15%. Tron down like almost 20%. So the market's on sale. Great opportunity to buy, in my opinion. Not financial advice, but I'll definitely be loading up. BitTorrent down 20%. Cro down almost 20%. So some of the coins I've been waiting to get back in, like XRP, I'm pretty excited. So first we'll do some very basic technical analysis for Bitcoin and for ETH. So here's your little bit of sell-off here, and we're on the 1-day chart, and we can see on the 1 day that we've nicely bounced off the 50 EMA quite a few times. If we scroll back, we can see we've been bouncing along the 50 EMA, and we're just sitting on the 50 EMA right now. So hopefully we're able to find support around this $56,000 range. That would be a great sign, and if we consolidate there, and we can start trending back upwards. But if we were to break that, we'll most likely find support at about 54,000, and if we were to break that as well, we could drop down and find support at about 50,000. But I probably think we're going to find support in between that $54,000 and $56,000 range. On the 1 day, the RSI is down at 42, and obviously the MACD has crossed over the signal line. So let's hop over to the 4-hour chart just to show you guys. Yeah, so we're here on the 4-hour, and we can see we've dropped under the 200 EMA, which we have quite a few times. As you can see here, if you go back months behind on the chart, you can see we would dip under the 200 EMA, we'd find some support, and then we'd come back up. So we're hoping to find support right here in this area. If we're going to follow this trend for BTC, we should find support soon enough and start trending back upwards. Just a correction, in my opinion. Nothing to worry about. But if we don't find support, we could break down to that $50,000 level and find support here, as you can see, at 50,000. All right, guys. So just very basic. You can see we're basically oversold on the RSI on the 4-hour. So we might see some buying action and start trending back upwards. Now let's hop over to Ethereum. We can see here with Ethereum, we're on the 4-hour chart. It seems we're finding support on the 200 EMA, which is a great sign. And if we were to break through that level of support, we could come down here to this level of support at 1954. As you can see here, that could be a line of support. And then you can see it right here as well. Yeah, so we could definitely find support around 1954. We can see here that was a line of resistance in the past. And then hopefully what we're going to see is we kind of consolidate at the price we're at now, around 2100, 2000, right on the 200 EMA, and then start to climb back up, and then turn this level of resistance into support at 2148. As we can see here, that was a level of resistance that we tested many times, and we did break through it. So if we can break through that resistance at about 2148, 2148, turn that into support, that would be a beautiful sign for ETH. Just a correction, in my opinion, the market is on sale. I'm happy about it. I was kind of shocked when I looked at my portfolio this morning. I was like, whoa, what just happened? So let's kind of go over some of this news here. So crypto flash crash wiped out 300 billion in less than 24 hours. Spurring massive Bitcoin liquidation. So I'm just going to read a little bit here, and we'll get a bit more into it. So I'm just going to scroll down and read this part here. So analysts pin the sudden losses to stark nearly 50% decline in Bitcoin's hash rate, which measures the total processing power being used to mine the cryptocurrency and process its transactions as a result of blackouts in China's Xinjiang region, which is home to one of the biggest Bitcoin mining networks in the world. Now, for any of you who are wondering, like, what do you mean blackout? Did they all take a nap? You know, did the power go out? So basically what happened was, I believe there was a flood. So it's no less than a major bloodbath in the crypto market as the Bitcoin price is down 8.5%, tanking below $57,000 levels. At press time, BCT is trading at 56,971 with a market cap. Okay, so here we go. While investigating a bit about it, it turns out the blackout in China's Xinjiang region caused almost half of the Bitcoin network to go offline in 48 hours. This blackout was due to maintenance after a massive flooding and security issue at power stations in China. So that's what happened, guys. There was a huge blackout and literally caused half of the Bitcoin network to go offline in 48 hours. Half. That's absolutely massive. And the blackout was due to maintenance after massive flooding and security issue at the power stations in China. So China's Xinjiang province powers a huge chunk of Bitcoin miners. With this blackout, the BTC hash rate collapsed significantly, leading to further price correction. So we can see down here, popular analyst Willy Woo shares that the Bitcoin hash rate and its price has been always correlated, and thus following the blackout in Xinjiang, today's price action followed the collapse in the BCT hash rate. And then she goes on to say that this dip could present a major buying opportunity for who have been waiting to get into Bitcoin. So even, you know, the analyst Willy Woo is saying that it's a good time to buy in on the dip. All right, guys. So there's also this article here. So a WEF executive made a dramatic Bitcoin warning amid Coinbase fueled Bitcoin price mania. So it's basically saying that, like, the World Economic Forum executive has warned the booming Bitcoin and cryptocurrency sector could be hit by a dramatic round of regulation. So this is kind of annoying. Like, I didn't really like reading this. It's just basically saying, like, hey, tons of people are making money. You know, the average Joe is getting rich financially, and we're gonna try to crack down on regulations and pretty much just, you know, tamper down the gains and stuff like that. And obviously there's other factors like whales selling and other things going on in the market, but I wanted to bring that to your attention, that news. And it's just a correction in my opinion. I'm definitely going to be loading up. A great time for me to get into things like XRP and other coins I've been wanting to buy on the dips. So I'm excited about it. I just wanted to bring this video. Hopefully it can clear things up for you. Please do your own research. There's other factors that weigh into corrections. So do your own due diligence. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you got any value out of this video, please smash that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love, guys. Take care.